In this video, I'm going to show you a Wise money transfer tutorial and how to send money internationally using the Wise app. First, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and using the latest version of the app. From the home screen, tap Send to start a new international transfer. Next, choose the country you want to send money to, for example, the United States. This step is important because it determines the currency, banking system, and required recipient details. Now enter the amount you want to send. The app will automatically show the exchange rate and fees, so you can see how much the recipient will receive. Once you're ready, tap Add Recipient. You may be asked again to confirm adding a new recipient. Now choose how you want to add the recipient. If they already use Wise, you can search for them directly. Otherwise, enter their bank details manually, including account number and any required local information. You may also see options like uploading an invoice for business payments or sending a secure email request to collect recipient details. After that, review all the information carefully, including the country and transfer amount, before continuing. And that's it. Wise will guide you through the final steps to complete your international transfer.